Hey everybody, Chris here. So is history going to repeat with Dogecoin? We're going to explore that in this video. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out as well as when I do live streams. And on our live streams, we do talk a lot about these 4-year cycles, Bitcoin and crypto as they go through. And still a believer that we are still in an overall bull market. When you zoom out, again, we'll be looking at more live streams. I'm live every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 4 o'clock p.m. That's 4 o'clock East Coast time here in the United States. So wherever you are in the world, come join in. We not only talk about Doge, we talk about other cryptos as well, touch on Bitcoin as well. But overall, finances, what's going on, come join the live stream and ask your questions because I always take questions. We talk a lot about everything going on in the space. But for now, keying in on Dogecoin in this video and where Dogecoin support is, and we will look at the history. Will the history repeat? So let's go ahead, let's take a look at the charts in the news. I'll show you what I'm looking at. And we'll start here looking at the current Dogecoin chart, and it's not great. 10.36, yes. Broke down below 10.4, was up at 10.5, 10.6 earlier, but there is still downward pressure across cryptos, and I'll show you why in just a minute. Here's where we were during Monday's live stream. We were wondering whether this 10.45, sort of a double bottom there, and whether that was indeed going to be the bottom. And we saw recovery late Monday night, and I was kind of feeling optimistic that, hey, we were going to get back up into this level and be in the 10.7s. But instead, this morning, crypto dropped down as well. Here's the Bitcoin chart. We also saw that double bottom there happen on Bitcoin as well, around 62.7. But here we are now threatening to drop below 62,000 and be in the 61s. Looks like it just touched it here just below. Yep, 61,975. There we are. So Bitcoin is dropping as well. And the big one here is ETH as well, dropping just below 2,600 now. And this ETH drop, that's the big one, because what is happening with liquidations? That's right. These leveraged long liquidations over the past 24 hours, ETH, $35 million, about 22 million in Bitcoin, but it's really the ETH ones that are the largest. If we see much of these smaller ones that are just compounding as Bitcoin at 61.9, 61.6 on some exchanges are taking out a lot of long leveraged trades. So if you're betting with leverage, you're probably getting liquidated here. So be very careful. But here's what we have on the bigger ones. And what we saw this morning here was $2 million ETH trades here that got liquidated this morning, both on OKX. Two of them at $2 million. We just had another Bitcoin at 486,000, just got liquidated there on CoinX at 61.9. So they're still hunting leverage here. Overall, we do have this leverage chart here, this liquidation heat map. And so as Bitcoin is coming down, it's taking out some of these lower leveraged positions here just below 62,000. They're wiping some of those out. Again, those are ones, the last time Bitcoin was at this price, there was some heavy leverage that was taken out, and now we're revisiting those levels. Eventually, Bitcoin will come up here to 65,000 and start taking out those shorts. But that's not happening yet. What else is going on? Tcoin plunged over 10%. It was down over 20% for a while as it was threatening dropping below $5. We were talking about that during the live stream as well. But it looks like Ton has at least come back to 540. And so Ton was number 11 below Cardano, but it was able to come back up in price, come back over Cardano, and now it's even threatening to pass Tron again and come back into the 9th, I still think there's a lot of risk with Tcoin. We don't know what's going to happen with Telegram. There's now rumblings about the country of India wanting to ban Telegram or do something there. So Telegram is certainly in the sights of a lot of countries right now. So be very careful trading Tcoin. Here's Doge, 10.38 cents, $15.1 billion market cap. In 8th place, and that's where Doge has mostly been, was below Tcoin for a little bit, but here we are at 8th for Doge. So what's going on with Doge? Doge reaches crucial support level. So, at this 10-cent level, right around 10.3, that is, whether that can hold will affect the direction of the market. This a historical support zone serves as a turning point between bullish and bearish trends, more than just a number on the chart. If Doge continues to trade at this level, it may have a stronger correction in the near future, or its price may see a rebound. And that rebound, again, what we thought we had happening on Saturday, and then the Tcoin drop just kind of brought the whole altcoin market down with it. So if 10 cents fails, then we're going to be in the 9s again. And so the selling pressure could increase, leading to a more substantial price drop. So that's what we have to watch for. Again, we had the price rebounding on a wider market recovery happening on Saturday, but the bearish drag, particularly coming out of that Tcoin drop, that does still persist. The momentum indicators with the RSI low are pointing to a turnaround. And that turnaround could lead to Doge coming up higher. But we're getting a lot of liquidations now while I'm recording this. Big time ETH and Bitcoin as we are seeing pricing dropping. Wow, 25.70, 25.60 on ETH. Bitcoin down to 61.8 and Doge down to 10.32. While I'm recording this, ouch. So this is pretty tough. But that momentum indicator with low RSI, and again dropping even lower now, could be the turnaround that we're going to be looking for. Dogecoin bulls remain upbeat though, despite price decline. Resistance at its 50-day SMA, signaling potential further downside in the short term. So tough to get past that resistance. And that's what we're going to be looking for Doge to finally get trading back above. The MACD trends suggest Doge could rebound if buying pressure continues, possibly breaking resistance levels. But that's what we need, is that buying pressure to come back. And right now, there is a lot of negativity there. Dogecoin price predictions. We still have this, right? Can Doge reach $1 if Donald Trump wins and Elon Musk takes an advisory role? Well, Musk is known advocate for cryptocurrencies, especially Dogecoin, and experts think his advisory role in case Trump wins could result in massive gains for Doge. Yeah, sounds good in an article, but Elon would not be in any part of a Trump administration talking about cryptocurrency. He is there for this, the Department of Government Efficiency, the Doge, government efficiency, which is going to be where to cut. And it's not going to involve cryptocurrency. So this is all kind of foolish. And plus, Elon is much too busy to have like a full cabinet position in Trump's administration. He's running SpaceX and Tesla and all this other, and X Twitter as well. So an advisory role would be all it would be, if anything. So we will be watching that. But overall, this is what we want to look at here is will history repeat itself? What is this pattern that we've been watching? Touched on this the other day. But this is the history of Dogecoin trading, and we have seen in 2 previous 4-year cycles, we have had 1, 2, 3, 4. So we had the bear market, we had accumulation sideways, we had a small move up, and then we had the bull market move. 1, 2, 3, 4. That happened from 2014, right, to 2017. What did we happen in 2018? We had another bear, and then we had accumulation sideways in 19. 2020, small move up, and then 2021, the big bull run. Are we seeing this play out again in a 4-year cycle? 2022, bear. We know Doge went down to 4.9 cents. Remember that in June 2022, 4.9 cent Doge, followed by accumulation and sideways in 2023. There at the end of 2023, we started to see a move up. That was, remember, we bought Doge right at 5.8 cents there in early October 2023 before Doge moved up to 10 cents. Retraced a bit at the beginning of 2024, back down to 8 cents. You could buy 8-cent Doge then, before that big run up in late February, early March. That is the small move up. That was the small move up. This fourth area that we're not at yet would be the bull market move. Again, we had it in 2017, we had it in 2021. Is 2025 going to be that time for Doge again? That would be history repeating itself. Will history repeat for Doge? That's what we're waiting for, is that big move. But as we see currently, you know, these dips here, it's hard to navigate these dips, I know. But overall, we are still in this wedge here. We're still in the wedge. We're now at the lower end of it though. But if Doge can move back up, then come mid-September, right around that FOMC meeting, is when we will be looking for a breakout in crypto. That could be, it's still a few weeks away though. And we're like, was it really going to go sideways that long? That would be tough, especially down at these levels. I don't think Doge should be higher. That's what we're waiting for. So let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this, the 4-year cycle, history repeating? Are we all just waiting for that big move up? Give the video a like if you haven't already. Please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.